5 methods of expelling evil thoughts. If, whilst regarding a certain object, there arise in the disciple on account of it evil and notorious thoughts connected with greed, anger, and delusion, then the disciple should, by means of this object, attain and gain another and wholesome object, or he should reflect on the misery of these thoughts. Unwholesome, truly, are these thoughts. Blamable are these thoughts. A painful result are these thoughts. Or he should pay no attention to these thoughts, or he should consider the compound nature of these thoughts, or with teeth clenched and tongue pressed against the gums, he should, with his mind, restrain, suppress, and root out these thoughts, and in doing so, these evil and notorious thoughts of greed, anger, and delusion will dissolve and disappear, and the mind will inwardly become settled and calm, composed and concentrated. This is called the effort to overcome. What now is the effort to develop? There, the disciple incites his will to arouse meritorious conditions that have not yet arisen, and he strives, puts forth his energy, strains his mind and struggles, and thus he develops the elements of enlightenment, bent on solitude, on detachment, on extinction, and ending in deliverance, namely attentiveness, investigation of the law, energy, rapture, tranquility, concentration, and equanimity. And this is called the effort to develop. What now is the effort to maintain? There the disciple incites his will to maintain the meritorious conditions that have already arisen, and not to let them disappear, but to bring them to growth, to maturity, and to the full perfection of development. And he strives, puts forth his energy, strains his mind, and struggles. Thus, for example, he keeps firmly in his mind a favorable object of concentration that has arisen, as the mental image of a skeleton, of a corpse infested by worms, of a corpse blue-black in color, of a festering corpse, of a corpse riddled with holes, of a corpse swollen up. This is called the effort to maintain. Truly, the disciple who has possessed the faith has penetrated the teaching of the master. He is filled with the thought, may rather skin, sinews, and bones wither away, may the flesh and blood of my body dry up. I shall not give up my efforts so long as I have not attained whatever is attainable by manly perseverance, energy, and endeavor. This is called right effort, effort of avoiding, overcoming, of developing and maintaining. These 4 great efforts have been shown by him, the scion of the sun, and he who firmly clings to them may put an end to all the pain. And of course, the perseverance can be in a way that's good for your flesh and your blood and that sort of stuff. But what we're building up is not just, some bodily position.